It's been an awesome ride.
15 weeks that have kind of culminated to this moment.
I'm really happy with the way that it came out.
My designs turn out better for it.
An amazing semester and a lot of great work by all the teams. The journey is really compelling because we came in with a set of expectations. We kind of gave them some ground rules. I wanted the brief to be light, and I really think they did a great job running with it, really demonstrating the power and collaborative nature of the tool. Really happy with the results. All of them, in true student fashion, pulled it together in the end. I think really surprised everybody with their amazing work.
One of the things we're trying to do at CCS is make it more seamless for our students to go on to careers. And so the more we can collaborate with companies like Gravity Sketch and Ford, the more seamless their experience is. And so as they get out in the larger world, they're much more prepared to work in a design setting for a company like Ford in a way that in the past they weren't able to do that.
I'm fairly new to Gravity Sketch. I've been in it a few times. What I'm looking forward to seeing is where this actually goes, because we have ways of doing things, and sometimes when a process gets injected into the system, it takes it and you see things from a different angle. And where that leads, I'm really curious because there's power in that.
I've been in vehicle studios before this, but this is my first one with like one of the big automotive manufacturers. This semester I learned 3 programs in one semester. It was a lot of learning, but it made me a better designer, and my designs turn out better for it, for sure.
Learning a new tool that I can implement into my workflow, being able to network with Ford and also Gravity Sketch has just been an amazing experience.
What I love about the Ford Gravity Sketch studio, and what I like about having the studio being spearheaded by someone who's as forward thinking as Mike, it really gave us a license to treat it and think about it in the way that I think it would be in the industry too.
I had no experience in Gravity Sketch at all coming into this. When I picked up my headset for the first time on week 1, that was the first time that I had opened the app. So it's pretty awesome to see how far that me and everybody else in the studio has come in terms of using this platform, and I can absolutely see the vision in terms of seeing Gravity Sketch being used a lot more in my workflow.
I'm always someone who's tool agnostic, I would say, but I do think that Gravity Sketch tends to be the right tool for me.
Thanks to the folks who let us use this really progressive and modern space here at the Ford Experience Center. Really gives my management a taste, right, of kind of where the future's going. And I think the students, it's important that they understand, if they come to Ford, that these are going to be experiences that they have. It was mission accomplished in the sense that we gave them a taste and they really nailed it.